Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy, dairy-free and gluten-free recipes to help you transform your health and so you can live vibrantly. So what I'm sharing today is a delicious, creamy chocolate pudding made with the secret ingredient, which is an avocado. And you're gonna love how easy this recipe is. And it's healthy because the avocado is chock full of nutrients. And then we have some other nourishing ingredients that we're going to include. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And these are the ingredients to get started. I started with maple syrup and vanilla extract, unsweetened non-dairy milk, 3 medjool dates, 1 large ripe Hass avocado, and unsweetened cocoa powder. So to make the pudding, you need a high-speed blender or a food processor, and you just add the avocado and the dates. Next, we'll add our non-dairy milk. I am using unsweetened almond milk in this case, and vanilla extract, maple syrup, just for a little bit of added sweetness in addition to the dates, and our unsweetened cocoa powder. This is gonna make it so incredibly chocolatey and delicious. And we'll just put the lid on the blender and we're gonna blend it up for about 30 seconds and it'll be rich and creamy and super delicious. So that's it. We've made our chocolate pudding. It is so creamy. I can't wait to taste a bite. Make sure it's sweet enough and tastes just like our old-fashioned pudding. I'm gonna give it a try. Wow, it is so delicious. You can't taste the avocado at all, I promise. It's chocolatey and it is the perfect amount of sweetness without being overly sweet. And I really think you're gonna love this recipe. So I've created a playlist of other healthy recipes and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.